This video explores Internet Insights in ThousandEyes. Internet Insights identifies outage events by analyzing network layer and application layer test results from cloud and enterprise agents. With over 8 billion daily tests spanning thousands of digital services worldwide, the platform collects and analyzes extensive data for real-time visualization of outages affecting critical public network and application services. These outages appear both as standalone events within Internet Insights and alongside your other ThousandEyes test results, helping you correlate performance issues to known outage events. To get started, navigate to Internet Insights and select Overview. The Overview page serves as a live map of Internet outages. It displays the most recent outages for both networks and applications, letting you quickly assess whether a current outage affects providers you rely on. Network outages appear in red, application outages in purple, and node size corresponds to the scope of each outage. At the top of the page, you'll find filter and time range selectors. The outage type filter lets you choose between network and application outages. The outage scope selector offers two choices. All shows the complete dataset of Internet outages, while with affected tests shows only outages related to tests in your organization. Internet Insights covers 7 provider types: CDN, DNS, IaaS, ISP, SaaS, CCaaS, and UCaaS. These providers are categorized into 4 geographic regions: Asia Pacific, EMEA, Latin America, and North America. You can filter by location, provider type, specific service, or company name, and the time range selector lets you choose a window up to 24 hours. The summary block at the top provides an overview of total outages, their locations, the count of affected tests in your account group, and any associated alerts. Now let's look at Catalog Settings. Navigate to Internet Insights, then select Catalog Settings. A package is a collection of Internet Insights providers of the same type and region. For example, the Asia Pacific CDN Providers package includes providers like Amazon CloudFront and Akamai in the Asia Pacific region. The package list shows details for each package, including data type, which indicates whether the package contains network data, application data, or both, provider type, region, and the number of included providers. You license packages to display outages involving their providers. Multiple licenses can be purchased, each linked to a specific package, and licenses are flexible. They can be reassigned to any package at any time. The number of purchased and available licenses appears in the top right of the Packages tab. Use the slider to enable or disable a package. Selecting a package reveals the available information, including coverage maps that show the contents of each package by region. With network data type selected, the dataset shows network interfaces. Hover over a location to view interface details. For example, you can see provider details for Sydney, Australia. If you have existing ThousandEyes tests for a specific application or provider, consider obtaining additional packages to identify outages beyond that provider's networks. The Providers tab lets you search for specific providers like Comcast. Click any package or provider to open the coverage map in a side panel. This map displays included networks and their geographic locations, helping you make informed decisions about your package selection. To see all outage data, navigate to Internet Insights, then select Views. Like other test views, Internet Insights views follow a consistent format with a timeline at the top for data filtering. Network Outages view provides metrics including affected tests, locations, interfaces, or outages. The Outage Scope option lets you filter by all or with affected tests to focus on outages affecting your specific tests. The Network filter lets you search and select networks by name or autonomous system number, and additional filters can be applied across various categories. In the Network Outages view, the Topology tab shows path visualization when you select an event on the timeline. Nodes represent networks or locations, with sources on the left and targets on the right. By default, sources are aggregated by country, but you can also group them by location, origin network, next hop network, or agent. The Map tab displays outages with a summarized overview, while the Table tab presents outage information in tabular format. Click a network name to access detailed outage information. Let's select a specific event on the timeline and focus on the interfaces metric. The data shows many interfaces were impacted by the outages. The Topology tab displays the traffic path and pinpoints the issue location. Hover over an area to view provider details, including the AS number. Then click on the provider experiencing the issue. The topology expands to reveal all affected IP addresses associated with those interfaces. Application Outages provides a view focused on applications, showing the status of commonly used SaaS companies and other services. The menu and data presentation are similar to network outages, with different available metrics: affected tests, locations, servers, or outages. Set outage scope to all to view every application outage, or choose with affected tests to see only those impacting your tests. The application filter lets you select application types or specific applications by domain, with primary categories including collaboration and messaging, communication, e-commerce, and more. You can also search using keywords. Selecting a timeline event with an outage reveals the topology. The Application Outages Topology tab shows traffic flow between agents and destinations. In the default view, ThousandEyes agents are organized by country, indicating that agents across various countries experienced issues accessing the application destinations during this time frame. Hovering over a country shows you the agent count and error type, while hovering over destinations reveals affected servers and impacted tests. The Map tab shows outages on a map with summarized information, including impacted servers and affected locations. The Table tab presents information including hostname or domain, start and end times, duration, error types, and more. Click an application for detailed information about affected servers and error details. Internet Insights also includes alerting and dashboard features. Default alert rules notify administrators when application or network issues occur. You can customize these rules by specifying catalog provider details and choosing whether to receive notifications for all events or only those affecting your tests. Go to Dashboards and select Internet Insights built-in from the top menu. This dashboard provides a 7-day overview of network and application activity, highlights the biggest incidents from the last 30 days, and shows which of your tests are affected. The My Affected Tests widgets list impacted tests separately for application and network issues, while the Affecting My Tests widgets show provider or application names along with how many tests are involved. You'll also see locations currently experiencing problems. And that wraps up our look at Internet Insights. With this feature, you can quickly determine whether performance problems are within your own network or part of a larger issue affecting external providers. Thanks for watching.